Namba ya Aikari taunini ya Thika ikoretwo ikiongerereka o muthenya na uguo gucungiriria bata munene wa maai matheru maria kwa ihinda riri mataraigana. Thina uyu riu werekeire gukinya muthia amu kuhitukira tabarira ya maai ya Thika na Githunguri iria irugamirirwo ni thirikari ya Denmark. Aikari ni mariamukagira maai matheru ma kunywa na oho maai magiko guthererio kuma micini yao. Akiaria hindi ya icera kambuni-ini ya utambia wa maai ya Thika, Minista wa maria maturigicĩirie kuma bũrũri wa Denmark augite tabarira ino ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 17.1 igukorwo iri kiguni kuri Aikari ona matuko meguka.
We've been talking about earlier today is how the project has been evolving for several years, so that we are sure that not only are we part of funding a project, but it's also a project that is very well connected within the water utility company here, and also answering the needs of the people.
Kuhitukira tabarira ino iria ni gatagati ka nyinge iria thirikari ibangite gukinyaniria kioneki-ini kia mwaka wa 2030 makiria ma andu 250 tauni-ini ya Thika ni mariamukagira maai matheru riri micii 331 nayo ikugathikwo miberethi ya guthereria maai magiko.
The project will involve an intake on Thika River, upstream of where we currently have an intake, with a raised intake and also another raised intake to keep water reservoir on Chania River. You have additional treatment works here of 36,000 meter cubed. We also have storage facilities and also transmission pipelines.
Oho ceceni iria itanyitwo gwako ni ciguteithiriria guthondeka hinya wa biogas makiria kuhitukira giko kiria kiumaga iganda-ini nyingi tauni-ini no.
The major game changer is we intend to have in the sewerage plant biogas production, which is renewable energy, which with the digesters we will propose that even the fruit juice industries around, we can take their waste and treat it in our digesters.
Kwa ihinda riri kambuni ya motungata ma maai ya Thika ndikoretwo ikinyotora Aikari, no kuri na mwihoko uria utanyitwo gukinyira Aikari ica ikuhi.
In the next 4 years tugukorwo maai maiganu na ona population ingiha no tugukorwo tukihota kuhurana na wagi wa maai.
Aikari makoretwo magiteta kumana na wagi wa maai na kuria marenderio bei iri iguru, mutungi umwe ukiendio gatagati ga ciringi 20 na ciringi 50. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.